Thank you for watching candlestick trading video. Here is a question and a comment. Can you provide us some advanced technique that winning ratio is more high about this WP method, please? In short, Europe and American session use high price location method, and Asian time use WPA method. And hello, Mr. Long, again, a very nice video. Just want to confirm something. Should we wait for the candle to close before placing a stop order on the previous candle? Thank you. If you use daily chart, no. Before closing a price, you can put stop order. This is Nasdaq 1 hour chart. For example, this vertical line (24) candlesticks, the same and the same, and Asian time Europe time here, and American time. Okay, the same and the same, and these candles previous day's high outside close and higher close. So you can put sell stop here, previous day's high here. The price go outside in the Asian session and came back inside of Europe, end of Europe, and closes here. So in the Asian time, if the candlestick go outside close, then put sell stop order to previous day's high here. Okay. And this candle hit sell stop order here and closes here. You can take profit at closing price here, or the replace stop loss as lower candlestick high. Put this candlestick high, stop loss order here, and next candlestick lower closes previous candlestick low here, and replace this candlestick high here, and repeat this candle lower closes previous candle low lower, then replace stop loss as lower candlestick high, and the next candlestick harmony, but the high price location lowering the previous candlestick, so we can put stop loss here, and the next candlestick stop out. And if you use daily basis chart and wait for closing price this candle, so you cannot put sell stop order previous candlestick high, because the close price at this candlestick already lower the stop order, sell stop order price level lower, so we cannot put sell stop order at this candlestick. So before the closing price at daily time frame, use 1 hour or the 30 minutes, any other time frame, but I recommend 1 hour chart because the we can identify the high volatility, high volume time zone, like this one. Clear high volume. Here's also same clear high volume. It means Europe and the American session traders wants to trade. So money flow at this time zone. So we can trade at this time. Okay. And if the American session starts or the Europe session, during Europe and America session, high volume, just trade with high price location. This candle, high price, previous candlestick high price, lower, and closes here, just sell here. Next candle same, but harami, this candle harami, previous candlestick high to the inside close, and this one outside close. So this is a first outside break. So use this candle at close price, sell trade here. Next candle lower closes here, and put stop loss here, and replace stop loss as a lower candlestick high here. Okay. And closes here, take profit. So use WPA method in the Asian session if the candlestick outside close of the previous day high to low. Then put sell stop order to previous day's high, or the buy stop order to previous day low. And Europe and the American session, the volume increase. It means create trend like this one, trend, okay, trend. But the Asian session range, okay, almost range, because the trade increase. So during Europe and American session, just use high price location method, and Asian session use WPA method. Okay, for my example, this day Asian session, the candlestick didn't go outside of a previous day high to low. Waiting for Europe session, increase the volume here, and the 12 here, Europe starts here. And this candle, previous candle high to the outside close, just sell here. How much? How much lower? 15 or so. Okay. Replace stop loss as a lower candlestick high in the small time frame, more small time frame like a 5-minute chart. And this candle, next candle, higher closes here, just buys here. Previous candlestick high, higher, closes here, buy here. And temporarily go higher, and the lowering closes here. During upper shadow, we can put our stop loss as higher candlestick low in the 5 minutes or the 50-minute chart. Okay. So during American Europe session, use high price location. Okay. And this day Asian session also didn't go outside of a previous day high to low. So trade during Europe and America session here. This one a little bit outside of previous candlestick high, buy here. Okay, and I put stop loss here, and I stop out. And the next candle, previous candlestick high, higher closes here, buy here. But at the 1 hour chart, wait for the closing price. It's important. Small time frame, wait for close price. Very, very important. But the daily basis, you do not have to 100% wait for closing price. Okay. Because in this video I mentioned, if you wait for closing price, you miss the trading chance. But 1 hour chart like this, upper shadow create here, appears. So wait for closing price here. So during upper shadow, you will you will buy disadvantage price. So wait for closing price, then buy here. And the next candlestick higher above break even. So you can put as higher candlestick low at small time frame 5 minutes or 15-minute chart. This candle's previous candlestick high to low inside close harami. Harami. Next candle, previous candlestick low, lower closes here. Sell here because outside close. Next candle go lower closes, replace stop loss as higher candles, as lower candlestick high. Take profit. Okay. Okay, this day, Asian session, this candlestick previous day high, higher closes here. Put sell stop order to previous day high here. Okay. Next candle hit, and put stop loss order this candlestick high here and stop out next candlestick. Didn't came back inside of a previous high to low, but the Europe session, America session came back inside of previous day high to low. This candle's previous candlestick low, lower closes here, sell here. Next candlestick lower closes here. Close position at close price order replace stop loss as lower candlestick high. Put stop loss this candle high, or put stop loss this candlestick high here. Okay, and next candlestick came back and hit stop loss order. A little bit take profit. So few stop loss and a few take profit. Few loss at this day. The previous day. In this day, this candlestick close price previous day high to low outside close. Previous day high and low here, outside close here, and put stop loss, put sell stop order here, but it didn't came back inside of a previous day high to low. Okay, and Europe session here, or here. Okay, but the harami, no trade. Next candlestick outside close, previous candlestick higher closes here, just buy here. Okay, and put stop loss as a higher candlestick low. Next candlestick higher close, initial stop loss here, and replace stop loss as higher candlestick low here. And this candlestick, previous candlestick high to low inside harami, you can remain here, stay here. On the next candlestick outside close, and replace stop loss as higher candlestick low here. On the next candlestick a little bit outside close, replace here, and next candlestick take profit. So in this video conclusion, in the Asian session, if the close price in the 1 hour chart previous candlestick previous day high to the outside close, then put sell stop order to previous day high, and put buy stop order to previous day low. And Europe and America session, if the high price location previous candlestick higher, just buy and replace stop loss as higher candlestick low. If the high price location previous candlestick high lower, then sell and replace stop loss as lower candlestick high. Thank you.